Today's the day in which it's time for us to set up our monthly calendar. This may be something you have not done before, or it could be something we've already done in the past. If your sketchbook does not have already pre-printed calendar pages in it, then this is how we set up a calendar inside our sketchbook. At the front, we have some pages that are blank for us to fill out a calendar. And our calendar is important because it helps us keep track of when assignments are due and any other important information we need to keep track of. So your first option, if you do not have pre-printed calendars, is to get a calendar template. And when we work with the calendar template, we are going to come over 3 lines, if you remember. And on that 3rd line from the left side, that first full diamond, the very bottom of it, we're going to place the corner of our calendar template. And we're going to line up the left side to that 3rd vertical line down. And we're going to trace around our template. Now remember, we're tracing around a piece of paper. So when we remove this, our lines might be slightly larger outside of some of our vertical lines, but we can fix that up here in a minute. So mine actually lined up pretty well, but if you had any of your pencil lines coming slightly off of your vertical lines, just grab a ruler and clean up that line. Now this is for the vertical position of our calendar. In a few moments, I'm also going to give you the option of a horizontal calendar. So for those of you who have been wanting more space to write, the horizontal calendar is the one you want to pick. So pause the video now and complete your outside box. Now that we have the outside of our calendar complete, it's time for us to divide up space. Starting on the left side, and again, I'm using these diamond shapes that stretch across our vertical line. I'm not going to count the top left corner. That's going to be 0. But where these lines cross over, the bottoms and tops of these diamond shapes, I'm going to need 4 down. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I make a mark. Then I need 2. 1, 2, make a mark. Then all the way down, I'm going to count off by 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, make a mark. 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 And then to the bottom corner should be another 5. I'm going to come over to the right side and do the exact same thing. So our top right corner is 0. I'm again looking for the areas in which our diamonds touch the vertical line. And I'm going to start with a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, make a mark. Then a count of 2. 1, 2, make a mark. Then a count of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, make a mark. 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 And that should leave me with 5. I'm then going to take my ruler and I'm going to line up my left mark to my right mark. and I'm going to draw a cross. And I'm going to do that all the way down for each mark I just made on the left and right side. Now that I have this, I want to break up my calendar with some vertical lines. And remember, this top box we are going to leave open. That's where we're going to put the month. So starting with my left vertical line, I'm going to mark along this first horizontal line that I just drew. And I'm going to not count this left vertical line. And I'm going to count over 4 vertical lines all the way across. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make a mark. 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 And that should leave me 4 to the end. I'm going to make the same set of marks along, starting in the bottom left corner. I'm going to count my vertical lines again every 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make a mark. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make a mark. Oops. There, I counted 4 and I marked it on the wrong one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make a mark. 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 And that should leave me to the bottom corner a space of 4. And now that I have those, I'm going to line up my ruler to the top and bottom marks and trace along those vertical lines. So my next step would to be fill in the month information. At the top I would put the month. In each of these little boxes I'd put the days of the week, starting with Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And then according to the calendar for the month I am looking at, I would find the first of the month, label it, and continue through until the end of the month. That is our vertical calendar setup using the calendar template. In another video, I'm going to go over with you a couple of other options you have to set up your monthly calendar.